Stop scrolling. I'm going to talk about the 5 main categories of inflammatory foods you need to avoid. A lot of health conditions are actually associated with inflammation. We're talking about diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, even cardiovascular disease is now thought to be an inflammatory condition. So let's get to it. Number 5, processed meats, salamis, hot dogs, and so on. Cut them out. These are so inflammatory and they're so bad for you, and they are also linked to cancer, as I've discussed previously. Number 4, processed carbs. I'm talking about white bread and pastries, things that are bleached, really bad for you. And they can also mess up your gut bacteria and increase your glycemic index. Number 3, saturated fats. If it's fried, you got to cut it out. We're talking French fries, fast foods, and so on. Grill your food or saute it. Sometimes it can make all the difference. If you have to cook, cook with olive oil. It's part of the Mediterranean diet. Number 2, alcohol. Alcohol has actually been proven to increase your C-reactive protein. It's an inflammatory marker in the blood, which has actually been used to track inflammation. And number 1, sugar. Sugar and high fructose corn syrup will wreak havoc with your body and increase a whole range of inflammatory markers. This has been clinically proven. Cut sugar out of your diet as much as possible and check the label. If it's added in sugar, you want to cut out of your diet. Thanks for watching, and I would like to hear your comments as well. See you soon.